People that drink cough syrup, this is like methadone for them.
Wait.
Yes, there's no alcohol in it. You can't get high off of it. You think that you're taking your cough syrup? This is nasty. This is gross.
I disagree. If you like Dr. Pepper, give this a shot.
It's carbonated Robitussin.
It's really good.
It is. No, it's not. No, it's not good. It's the worst Dr. Pepper, except for the coconut and cream one. If you like drinking Robitussin for no reason, if you don't have a cough or something, buy that.